Well, I'm back at the Double T Ranch, finishing the job that I started the last time, a couple months ago. Got stuck. Too muddy then. Really was only able to get really about a half mile of the road done. I got about another mile and a half to do. So I am back at it again on dry ground, and I hope all of you enjoy. Thank you. So this is why I've been building the road. This is the Double T Ranch that we're calling it, the property that I bought. It is a mile long and a half-mile wide, very private. And the whole point of the road is that there was literally no road whatsoever. You couldn't even barely get to the place. And then once you're on the property line, there's just all sagebrush, couldn't get anywhere. So that's why I've been building a 1.5 mile road system to get around. And I'll just take you a tour here. Property goes up to those trees in the background, up to those trees as well. It's really hard to see. That's a half mile out. Goes to that little tree way out in the distance. And then a full mile all the way down that way. Well, I got the project done. Woke up about 7:30 this morning, got started. Quitting time was 5:30, about 10 hours. Did the 1.5 miles that I had planned, so I'm happy about that. Other than that, this is the most dust that I've ever breathed in my life. And
and so I'm just going to relax tonight, have some dinner, enjoy the sunset. When it cools down to bed, have a fire.